Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Methi biscuit. For this we need refined flour, fenugreek leaf, butter, milk, salt, baking powder and carom seed. So in a bowl take all-purpose flour or maida, add 1 teaspoon baking powder, add salt to taste. Now add 50 grams of butter and fold it. Mix butter very well and try to make a dough. Now add carom seed, cut the fenugreek leaf and add to the dough, and now make a dough using milk, little milk, approximately 4 to 5 teaspoon. Now grease a plate and press the dough to make biscuit. Use biscuit mold to cut them, and on preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius bake them for about 22 to 25 minutes. Your crispy Methi biscuit is ready. So try this recipe and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.